And it was like 800 black people, all black. And there was a dude up there rapping, and he was sweating, and he was black. And then another girl, she came up and she sung, and she was black. And they was singing blackness. It was incredible. And so all of a sudden I say, ladies and gentlemen, Ed Sheeran. He pops out with a little red hair and a ukulele. One of my homies who's an incredible guitarist, but he's just true to the music. It came from us. This is blackity black, right? And he says, yo, Fox, come on, man. What's this, man? Man, you got to respect the room. And it was just like a movie. I said, well, let's see what the kid has. And he went out there on that ukulele, got a standing ovation in 12 minutes.
Wow.
And the rest was history.